Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today on the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. We're sharing some of the most common questions we've been asked to help you prepare for your Christmas wreath making workshops. In today's frequently asked question video, we'll be answering what gauge wire would you use to wire up some cinnamon sticks. Now if you haven't joined us before, my name is Debbie and I work with Triangle Nursery. So we are an online wholesalers selling fresh seasonal flowers, foliage and accessories at wholesale prices to everyone. We offer delivery direct to your door in the UK with no minimum order. Now typically when I'm working on wreaths, I'd recommend a 0.71 or a 0.90 millimetre by 200 or 300 millimetre gauge wire. In particular for cinnamon, I would actually go for the heavier gauge because they need more support when inserting into the wreath. So say in comparison to a fruit slice, which is quite delicate. So cinnamon can actually be relatively heavy. So let's begin by showing you how to wire 3 cinnamon sticks together. Now often people will actually glue those, put a little glue dot on them so they stay together, so they're easier to handle. And they can be quite fiddly to wire, so just bear that in mind. So binding the wire around the 3 sticks and twisting so they're nice and tight and secure. Now what I would say is I often use a pair of wire pliers just to make that a bit tighter, so that the cinnamon doesn't slide out. Now to cover up your mechanics, you could use raffia, or on this occasion I'm using some twine, just to make it look a bit more decorative. And I'm binding that twine all the way around the wire. And then tying with a small knot on the top or the side, it doesn't really matter. And then remove the ends of the twine. And there you have it, ready to go into your wreath, nice and secure and firm. I'd recommend actually that you get everything prepared before you start wreath making. You can do this in advance, especially fiddly jobs like this, and it will certainly reduce the amount of time you spend in the workshop. So that's it for today's frequently asked question. I hope this helps you decide which is the right wire for your decorations and how to wire 3 pieces of cinnamon stick together. So head over to our channel for more Christmas videos to help you prepare for your workshops. Now all of the products mentioned in the video are available to purchase on our website, so please refer to the links in the description below. Now if you have any more questions or advice, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us directly on telephone or email. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. See you again soon. Bye for now.